Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome. Okay guys, is your underhand darker than you would want it to be? Is it looking dry, rough, or are they looking, excessively black? Well, it is actually very beautiful to have a dark skin, but if your underhands is darker than your normal skin, it's actually not healthy because you're not going to have the confidence to raise your hand in the public. So use this natural remedy that I'm going to be showing you to eradicate all of that. Send them back, okay? It's going to be working for you like really good. So watch till the end, and also thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Also don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Alright, drop your curious questions at my website. The link will be at my comment section. Alright guys, let's run into the video. To lighten up a dark underhands, I'm gonna be needing potato. Okay, so I've actually peeled and I've actually cut this potato in pieces. Okay, now remaining to process it because I'll be needing the starch of this potato. Okay guys, so potato helps to remove the dark patches and it will therefore help in getting rid of dark underhands. Okay, so I have here a boiled and blended potato, and I'm going to be needing just 1 tablespoon of that, okay, because I'm not going to be taking too much. Alright guys, so we've moved to the kitchen. To make this even better and work very well, we're going to be boiling it, okay, because when we boil it, we'll now have the full starch that will help in lightening up the dark underhands. And after that is done, I'm going to transfer it into my blender and pour in the water that I used in boiling it into it, and then blend it very well so it could be smooth. Then we're going to be needing rice, and here I have a raw rice. So we're going to be needing rice because it contains the lightening property, which therefore helps in lightening up the skin, leaving the skin youthful and radiant. And likewise, I'll do the same thing to the rice. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting the rice into the pot, pour in water, and now we'll have to boil the rice so that the rice can be very soft. Okay, so that when you want to blend it or mash it, it can be possible. Now after doing that, I'm going to transfer it into the blender. Now I want it to be very soft, so I'm going to put in the water that I use in boiling it into the blender and then blend it very well so we can have the full starch. So I have a boiled and blended rice here, and now I would be turning that into the bowl. And I'm also gonna be needing onion. Onion is great in polishing up the skin. It's remove dark patches, it's remove pigments, and it's remove age spots. And it will therefore help in removing dark underhands. Alright, for the onion, I'm just going to be preparing the onion, guys. So I'm gonna be blending it. Now you can actually just grate it, guys, but for me, for now, I want to grate. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm done grating and I'm gonna be transferring that into the bowl. Alright guys, so we're gonna be needing glycerin and rose water. Now glycerin is a great ingredient that helps in removing the redness and calming the puffiness of the skin, and it's also helpful in removing dark underhands. Now we're going to be needing to put in the rose water, and I'm going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of that. Now we're just going to stir. Alright, so the consistency has to be just thick, okay? Alright guys, so here is the treatment, and I'm just going to be using it. So the thing is that sometimes my underhands get dark, okay? That's if I don't actually like take care of it, okay? So what I usually do is this. I just scrub it like this, okay? You have to scrub it really hard because the skin at this underhand is actually like thick and thicker, okay, than the skin on your face. So there's no problem when you scrub, so you scrub very well. Alright, so I usually use a toothbrush. This toothbrush is actually designed for just my face and anywhere I want to scrub. That's if I can't actually use my hand to scrub it really well. So I use the brush and then I scrub it. So it actually like goes deep into the pores to remove all the darkness and also to make the skin lighter, okay? So basically that's so what I'll do is that I'll just dip a soft sponge into water, and then I'll just clean it this way, okay? You can also just use it once in a week, okay? Because when you take care of your underhands once at least in a week, I mean your hands is not going to be getting darker. But when you don't even scrub at all, that's when it goes dark, okay? So once in a week is going to be okay. So you do not necessarily need to store it because they are going to go bad, okay? So you have to make a new one when you want to use it, okay? So that's it. That's just basically how I lighten up the dark patches at my underhand. I whiten that place up and it just goes like evenly, okay? All of my body goes very evenly, like one color from the head to the toe plus there, and my thigh, everywhere is even, okay? So if you did love the video, please subscribe and thumbs up, and also please share the video and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Drop your questions on my website, the link will be at my comment section. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video, and bye guys.